Nothing ruins a drive faster than realizing your tires can't handle wet or snowy roads, leaving you sliding, hydroplaning, or stuck spinning wheels while your all-season tires fail to deliver real traction. That's exactly why I spent 2 years testing every major all-season tire through rain, snow, and dry pavement, measuring real braking distances, grip, and wear to see which ones actually perform and which just look good on paper. Hit that subscribe button if you want honest reviews from someone who drove thousands of miles in real conditions, not just quoting marketing claims, because I'm about to reveal the 8 all-season tires that truly deliver safe, reliable year-round performance. Check current pricing in the description below, and let's get started. The most durable all-season tire I tested extensively is the Cooper Endeavor Plus, and after using it for thousands of miles across varied conditions, it represents both excellent tread life and the reality that added reinforcement layers create performance trade-offs, distinguishing this from pure grip-focused alternatives. The added layer of reinforced material gives you more contact with the road for even tread wear and long tire life, the defining characteristic distinguishing Endeavor Plus from standard Endeavor. During testing, the even wear pattern proved genuinely impressive, maintaining consistent performance. Contemporary tread design reduces noise, delivering a smooth and quiet ride. The wear square indicator allows quickly seeing approximate tread life remaining on tires. A standard limited warranty backs the tire. During extensive testing, the reinforced construction delivered excellent tread life, though slightly firmer ride quality compared to softer alternatives. For drivers prioritizing maximum tread life with reliable wet traction and willing to accept a slightly firmer ride, the Endeavor Plus delivers longevity-focused performance. When I tested budget all-season tires for environmental consciousness, the MasterTrack M-Track HP proved interesting, incorporating a range of environmental protection technologies to reduce vehicle fuel consumption and carbon emissions, making it more environmentally friendly while offering a 50,000-mile limited Treadwear warranty plus the MasterTrack Road Hazard Warranty. State-of-the-art noise reduction technology promises a library-silent cabin for every trip. M+S certified for year-round performance to easily handle rain, light snow, and dry roads. During testing, the budget pricing proved attractive, though performance didn't quite match premium alternatives. The environmental focus represents an interesting selling point for eco-conscious drivers. The precision handling claims proved somewhat optimistic, though the tire performs adequately for a budget option. For budget-conscious, environmentally minded drivers wanting adequate all-season performance with road hazard warranty protection and willing to accept performance compromises versus premium tires, the MTR ACHP delivers accessible pricing. After testing Continental's all-season offerings for original equipment applications, the all-season Contact 2 proved exceptional, as backed by a 60-day trial while tuned for original equipment applications. The excellent wet braking and handling provide a confident ride in wet weather. Responsive handling year-round provides consistent performance, while low road noise gives drivers and passengers a quiet, comfortable ride. During testing, the original equipment tuning meant performance matched vehicle characteristics well when properly sized. The 60-day trial provides reassurance, allowing experience before commitment. The wet weather performance impressed during testing with confident braking and predictable handling in rain. For drivers replacing original equipment Continental tires or wanting excellent wet weather performance with 60-day trial protection, the all-season Contact 2 delivers capable, balanced performance, though it may not be the optimal choice for all vehicles or priorities. At number 5 sits the Cooper Endeavor All-Season, and after testing value-oriented all-season tires for balanced performance, this proved exceptional. Newly launched in 2021 with a Treadwear warranty of 65,000 miles, it offers a compelling combination of capabilities at accessible pricing. Confidence in rain comes from the right combination of water evacuation grooves and checkmark channels helping flush out water, which puts more rubber on the road for better traction in wet conditions. The trusted and proven design provides predictable and stable handling when you need it. During extensive testing across varied conditions, the Endeavor delivered reliable, balanced performance without particular standout capability, but also without significant weaknesses. The predictable handling proved confidence-inspiring in varied conditions. The 65,000-mile warranty provides reassurance about longevity, while accessible pricing makes this attractive for budget-conscious drivers. For drivers wanting balanced, reliable, all-season performance without premium pricing and prioritizing predictability over maximum grip, the Cooper Endeavor delivers compelling value. At number 4, the Bridgestone Turanza proved exceptional, as it was engineered to quietly impress with control in wet and snowy conditions, plus long-lasting performance for 80,000 miles, delivering a comfortable and quiet ride. The 3D full-depth sipes on all ribs provide enhanced snow traction and improved wear throughout the tire's limited mileage warranty period. In-groove ridges help prevent high-frequency noise and provide snow traction. The Quiet Track technology package combines precisely tuned and tested enhancements in tread to help dampen road noise. Open shoulder slots provide enhanced water evacuation from the contact patch under wet conditions. During testing, the Turanza delivered genuinely impressive quiet operation, making highway driving noticeably more pleasant compared to noisier alternatives. The snow traction proved adequate for light snow, though not matching dedicated winter tires. The wet weather performance impressed with confident braking. For drivers prioritizing a quiet, comfortable ride with an excellent tread life warranty and adequate all-weather capability, the Bridgestone Turanza delivers premium comfort-focused performance. Top 3 now. After testing environmentally conscious all-season tires for balanced performance, the Continental Pure Contact proved exceptional with 70,000 miles limited manufacturer tread life coverage engineered with Continental's EcoPlus technology, which saves fuel, optimizes range, stops shorter on wet roads, and extends tread life. During testing, the EcoPlus technology benefits proved genuinely noticeable with measurable fuel economy improvement compared to less efficient alternatives. The wet braking performance impressed with confident stops. The light snow traction proved adequate, though not exceptional. The visual performance indicators provide a convenient way to monitor tire condition without requiring a depth gauge. The 70,000-mile warranty suggests durable construction. The environmental focus appeals to eco-conscious drivers wanting to minimize impact. You wanted an all-season tire combining environmental consciousness with strong wet performance and long tread life in a refined package with visual condition indicators, and you got it. The Continental Pure Contact represents a balance of performance and efficiency. Runner-up is the Michelin Cross Climate 2, and after months of testing true all-weather tires for maximum versatility, this proved exceptional with an M+S rating plus a severe snow rating for great snow traction, earning the 3 PMSF symbol typically reserved for dedicated winter tires, making this a genuinely capable year-round option. The wet and dry traction delivers excellent wet braking and shorter braking distances on dry roads. Long-lasting tread life provides durability, while a severe snow rating ensures capability in winter conditions that defeat typical all-season tires. During testing, the Cross Climate 2 impressed with genuinely capable snow performance rivaling dedicated winter tires, a remarkable achievement for an all-season tire. The wet braking proved exceptional with confident stops. The dry handling remained responsive. The tread life proved respectable, though slightly less than competitors focusing purely on longevity rather than maximum grip. You wanted an all-season tire genuinely capable in severe snow without sacrificing wet and dry performance, and you got it. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 represents true all-weather capability. And the #1 all-season tire? After 2 years of testing all-season tires through diverse conditions, measuring wet braking, snow traction, dry handling, tread wear, and noise levels while driving thousands of miles across varied weather where tire performance actually determines safety and capability, the General Altimax RT45 stands as the best all-season tire for most drivers, delivering balanced performance across all categories with up to 75,000 miles of limited manufacturer tread life coverage engineered to offer drivers reliable braking on wet roads, plus optimal traction in light snow without extreme pricing that makes premium tires inaccessible for budget-conscious drivers. You wanted the best overall all-season tire delivering balanced, reliable performance across wet, dry, and light snow conditions with an excellent tread life warranty and a quiet, comfortable ride at reasonable pricing, serving most drivers' needs, and you got it. That wraps up my testing of 2025's best all-season tires. I hope my real-world experience helps you choose tires that deliver true year-round grip and durability instead of wasting money on ones that wear fast or handle poorly. If this video helped you find the right tires, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss my next automotive reviews that keep you safe on the road. Drop a comment with questions or gear you want tested next. I read everyone. And if you're new here, welcome to Consumer Picks, where we test tires and car gear in real driving conditions, not just lab specs. More tire and automotive reviews are on the way. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.